Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can remove or unlink your bank account from Coinbase. And I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. First thing, you need to log in into your Coinbase account. So for that, open up your web browser and then on the search box, you need to type in the link that is www.coinbase.com, and you can also find the link on my description box below. So once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and once you're on the official site, click on login in the top right and then enter login information that includes entering your email address, phone number and password. And once you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. On the home page, you need to click on the profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen, and as you click on the profile icon, a drop down menu will appear. So from the list, you need to click on settings. So once you click on settings, you'll be directed to the settings page, and you can see right on top you have a list of options. And once you're on this page, you need to click on payment method. So as you tap on payment method, next interface, you'll be able to see a list of bank account linked to your Coinbase. Now in order to remove it or unlink it, all you have to do is just tap on remove, and as you click on remove, automatically the bank account will be removed as well as unlinked from your Coinbase account. So that is how you can remove or unlink your bank account from your Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.